Hi there, in this video, I will be giving you a quick guide on how you can fix a forgotten password on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So first, of course, you will have to open your Revolut app or your website and make sure that this Revolut is actually available in your country so you will be able to proceed to the next steps. Then what you will do is of course you must see forgot password feature here. So go ahead and click that once you see that, whether on your app or your website. Then you will enter your phone number linked to Revolut. You will receive verification code and then you will enter the code. Then you will have to create new passcode and confirm it. Access your account with a new password, and that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have a good day.